Hi everybody. Now I will explain for you how to build an email using Google Gmail. Here I will write here Gmail, okay, and I will press enter. Here I can see my Gmail, Google. So I will enter this link. Here I will change the language from Arabic to English. So as you can see here, I will create account for my personal use. Okay, here. So here I will write my first name. For example, I will write Muhammad. Here I will write my last name, Negm. Here I will put my username. He chose for me a new email, new username, so it is not important. I can do another one. For example, I will write I wrote Nigm Star 2022. Okay. Here he says for me that username is taken. It means that there is someone had the same username. So I can change, for example, from 22 to 24. I can see that no problem now. Okay. Here I will put my my password, so I can show you my password. For example, I wrote Negm at 23. For example, here I can take it, copy, and I will make here paste. I can see the same one, as you can see. Okay, now what I did, I put my first name, last name, my username. Here I gave him my password and a new password for my email. So I will press here next. After that, here he will ask me about my telephone. I will write my telephone. Also, if I have another email to make a recovery email, I can put my the other email here. For example, the email of my father, my mother, whatever. Here I will give him my birthday. So I will choose my birthday. It is very important to be under 22. For example, 2002. For example, not more than 2002, because maybe he will ask you about your age. If it's under 18 years old, he will ask you about your permission from parents. You must have a permission from your parents to make this email. Okay, here I will tell him my gender, male, and I will press here next. Now I have my email. I agree for this permissions, agreement, privacy and terms. So now I have an email. It is very important to build your email. Thank you very much, and waiting you in the next videos.